Kia to Technical. I'm back again with another video. As you can see, I have a product from Tonor. So they make microphones. So this is the Tonor TC30 Plus USB microphone kit. They were kind enough to send me this out to review. So that is what I'm going to do. So I have my unboxing knife right here. And on the bottom here, these are some of, this is their support page. So if you have trouble with your mic, and then there is their website, and I will drop a link to that website in the description. So if you want to go pick this product up for yourself, you can do that. Let me get it open real quick. This is a nice size box. So once you open it, this is a microphone, but it also comes with a boom arm for your desktop. I already have plenty of boom arms, but you can never have too many. You can hook different things up to it. So this is what the boom arm looks like. You all know what that looks like. I believe this here is probably your microphone. Yes, this is your microphone. Man, this is a nice looking mic. I actually like that. This is a nice looking microphone. Let's see what you get in this part. This is the part that clips into your desktop. This is very, very, very sturdy. This is very, very sturdy. And this microphone is plug and play USB Type-C. So I can connect this microphone to one of my smartphones if I wanted to. But pretty much this is where you will put your boom arm. Let me screw it on there real quick. Then I'll be right back. So pretty much this is what it will look like. You would just put your boom arm here, connect it to your microphone here, and then you want to use the microphone, of course. You plug this up to your microphone, USB Type-C. Oh, it's USB Type-C to USB, so I can plug this up to my microphone, and I can also plug this up to a computer because it's USB Type-C, or I can take one of these dongles, connect it to the dongle, and then plug it into my smartphone if I want to use this nice microphone for the smartphone. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the product, and I'll come back with a video of me testing out the sound and showing you where I actually connected it to. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.